Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Thank you for visiting Battery Guys Nation. Today we are installing a battery for a 2005 Chevrolet Express passenger van. What you would need is a 14mm socket wrench to take off the safety bar off this van. Again, we are using a 14mm socket to take off the safety bar. All right, then you would need an 8mm to take off the positive and the negative, but we still got to take off this center bracket, center bolt, which is right here in the middle of the battery itself. So for this, you would need a long extension to connect to that 14mm socket. Okay, once you get that out, the battery is now accessible to take out. But what you want to take off first is you want to take off this negative terminal first. Again, right now we're using an 8mm wrench to take off the negative terminal off this battery. And this is your first time visiting the page, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell as well, because we are uploading new videos on a daily basis of all makes and models of vehicles, golf carts, we do solar, we do it all. So you never know, you might need a friend or family might need help on installing a battery or whatever. Now what we're doing, we're taking off the positive. Once we got the positive off, now we can take the battery straight out. And this right here is a side post battery that goes inside this 2005 Express passenger van. What we are doing, we are installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this van. If you need a battery, please visit our website at batteryguyswithaz.com and get yourself a battery, because we do ship nationwide and 50% off as well, and we guarantee our product as well. So what we're gonna do first, now we're putting that center bracket back down into the tray to bolt this battery back down. And if you notice too that the master installer is Matt, you see that he's starting the bolt with his fingers to get the groove in. You don't want to try to do this with a socket, because that bolt will pop off in the engine. Just use your fingers, try to maneuver the bolt back down into this bracket. And once you get it started with your fingers, then you can use the extension and 14mm to continue to tighten the bracket back up in for this battery. Likewise, if you know anybody that has a 2005 Chevrolet Express passenger van, send them the video. You never know, they might need assistance in the future of how to install this battery. Now what we're doing now, we're getting the positive back on this started. So you see that Matt, he started with his fingers at first. Now we're using the 8mm to tighten that back up. You want to just turn it center clockwise to tighten up that bolt back on the positive terminal. And once we get that down, then you want to get your negative terminal started as well with your fingers, and we're going to tighten that back down with a wrench as well. Just get it started with your fingers, just to get that groove in there. It's a tight spot, so you just take your time and just turn it center clockwise with your finger, as you see Matt doing here. Once you get it started, use that 8mm wrench to tighten it on up. If you have any comments, please leave comments in the comment section. Make sure that we respond to you properly as well. But this is how you install a 2005 Chevrolet Express passenger van battery. Now let's put the bracket back on it. Just tighten up the bracket. And we'd like to thank you for visiting our web page as well. We appreciate every visitor that visits us. And please share the page. Like, subscribe,